We are shipping another Lyco combination cooker cooler to Europe for the ready-to-eat meal market. With over 200 of these combination systems running globally, customers have come to trust Lyco as a leader for cooking or blanching all types of pasta, rice, vegetables, potatoes, and dry beans. Lyco's cooker cooler was developed in 1995 and is the only machine in the industry that both cooks and cools in the same machine. The machines are very versatile, and cooker coolers are very gentle for products such as lasagna or ravioli as well. We offer these machines in low capacities from 36-inch to 48-inch in diameter, and even for larger capacity plants, we offer 60-inch and 72-inch diameters. Compared to having two separate rotary drum blanchers, the benefits of having the cooker cooler in one chassis resulted in lower investment, space savings, elimination of riser frames, catwalks, and transfer conveyors, and one common CIP system that can clean the entire machine. So if you have any pasta, rice, or vegetable cooking and cooling needs, please call Lyco Manufacturing at 920-623-4152 or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.